Okay, I'm just going to get right to the intro of this song, and we'll talk about the chord changes. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the intro. Let me just talk about these chord changes a little bit. Now, on the guitar, okay, so really what's going on in there, there's this, that's really, this is kind of a hard move. So, it's a G minor add 9, and then so these are the notes. I'm just barring across here. There's the flat third, okay, and there's the fifth, and here's the add 9. So it has that kind of dissonant sound. They're just half step apart. Okay, now what I was doing at the beginning, I was cheating a little bit, playing just a straight G minor 7th instead of adding this add 9. I mean, this works too. Okay, so the other chord is this here. So this is like an A minor with a G in the bass, or it could be like a F major 7, you know, only with the G in the bass. Okay, so that's the intro. So 3, 4. Okay, so it does that 4 times. So in these two chords here, so this is A minor 7, and then B major 7, B flat major 7. Or you could play a B flat major 9. Here's the 5. Okay, here's the we're gonna play. There's the 7. Here's the 9, and here's the 1. Okay, so that'd be like a B flat major 9 or a B flat major 7. Either one works. There's the 9th, or okay. So that's the intro. Now we're going to get into the verse. I'm going to go through the verse, and then we'll talk about the chord changes. 2, 3, 4. Okay, then it goes into the chorus, okay? So just before the verse starts, okay, now we're going to go to E flat major 9. Here's the 9, the major 7, the 3, and the 1. I know the super highway, then B flat major 7. Or you could play this kind of, here's the 3, the 9, the 7, and the 1. So that's a B flat major 9, major 7 with a 9th in it. Okay, it does that twice, and then E flat major 9 to D7 sharp 9. So here's the sharp 9, flat 7, the 3, and the 1. And then G minor 7. Just bar all the way across here, and then put that here. And then A flat 13. Here's the 13, 3, flat 7, 1. And then the same intro chorus. And then does it again. the same. So it does this and only it does, so that's B flat, okay? And then, so it could be, so I'm just playing single notes there. You could play G minor 7 to B flat 6 to go up to the C minor 7, but I'm just, okay, let's just get to the, I'm going to play the chorus. 1, 2, okay, so that's the whole chorus there. So at the end of the so I'm playing G and B flat. Well, the danger on the rocks is surely past. So that's C minor 7. So this is G minor 7, C minor 7. Still I remain tied to the mast. Then I go up to D minor 7. Could it be back to C minor 7? Did my home at last? Then it's B flat major 7. Home at last. So you could play. It's like a C, E flat major 9. I already know that one. And then we're doing these 6. This lick is, and it's based on a B flat. Okay. So here's your B flat. So it's. Okay. Okay. So that's the whole chorus there, and then it goes. This is twice. This is turnaround. And then it does another verse, okay? A verse and a chorus. Okay, and then after that, it does a turnaround. This is the second chorus. It's before the solo. This is. These are the horns. So this is just playing an F chord. I'm playing this thumb chord. So there's the 5, there's the 9, there's the 1, the 5, and here's the 1 here. So now you can just play a straight, if you want to play just a straight F. Really, it's just you can play fifths, you know. So it goes to A7. And then it starts the synth solo, okay? So just on F. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So A7. then to D minor 7. And then to A flat 13. So 2, 3, 4, 1. Then it goes to D flat 9. So this is D flat 9. Those two notes. And then up to D, D9. And then it does a solo over this. This is a synth solo. And then the guitar solo. It's just like the verse. It's still the guitar solo. Okay, so that the guitar solo is just like a verse, okay? And then it goes, and then this is the last chorus. That was C minor 7 to G minor 7. The D minor 7. From my home at last. B flat major 7. Here's your different options. Home at last. E flat major 7, and then this. And then it just vamps on this. Okay, so it just vamps on that on the way out, and that's the whole tune. Hope you got something out of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.